Hello everyone. Today we discuss exercise 10 of reflection part 2. Here we consider a question number 8, second subpart. According to this, find the image of the point -3, -5 in the line y equal to -2. So first you see the formula of this question. Suppose that if you find out the reflection of point P whose coordinate x comma y in the line y equal to a, that will be x comma minus y plus 2a, means x as it is, and coordinate of y will be changed like that, minus y plus 2a. So here is point P coordinate is -3 comma -5, and here is x is -3, y is -5, and value of a is -2. Use this formula, x -3 and y -5, so here is a minus and y is -5, then 2 into a is -2, so we get -3 comma plus 5 and -4. So point P dash will be -3 comma 1, that is image of a point P under the line y equal to -2. Now you see question number 10. Write down the coordinates of the image of a point 3 comma -2 when reflected in the x-axis, followed by the reflection in the y-axis and reflected in the origin. Here we consider only third and fourth of part. So you see the formula, reflection of point P whose coordinate x comma y in the x-axis, we change the sign of y coordinate only. If you find out the reflection in the y-axis, we change the sign of x coordinate only. Now according to question, reflection of, first we find out the reflection of this point in the x-axis, so we change the sign of y coordinate. Here is a -2, that will be +2. Then we find out the reflection in the y-axis according to question of this point P dash. Suppose that image of P dash is P double dash, so reflection in the y-axis, so we change the sign of x coordinates, so -3 comma 2, that is the reflection. Now reflected in the origin, if any point reflected in the origin, then we change the sign of both coordinate, that means x comma y will be changed into -x comma -y. So here we have a point 3 comma -2 and its reflection in origin, so we change the sign of x coordinate and y coordinate, so -3 and -2 will be changed to +2, that is the reflection of point P in the origin. Now you see question number 12. If point P dash whose coordinate -4 comma -3 is the image of a point under the reflection in the origin, find the coordinate of point and the coordinate of the image P under the line y equal to -2. So here P dash is the image is given, P dash is the image of the point is given, and now we have to find out the point, means coordinate of the point, means value of x and y. Now you see the formula, reflection of point x comma y in the origin will be P dash -x comma -y, means here sign of x and y both will be changed. Okay, and here is given P dash image. Now we compare with P dash this value -4 comma -3, so -x comma -y equal to -x comma -y equal to -4 comma -3. Now after comparing, -x equal to -4, so x equal to 4, -y equal to -3, so y equal to 3. That means we have a point 4 comma 3. We have a point 4 comma 3 whose image under the in origin -4 comma -3 is given. Now you see second subpart, reflection of point P in a line y equal to a is given, coordinate is q, so x comma -y plus 2a. So according to this point P 4 comma 3 and y equal to -2, here a equal to -2, so q coordinate of q are 4 comma x is 4, y is 3, -3 plus 2 into a is -2, so we get 4 comma -7. Next one question, you see question number 15. Points A and B have coordinate 2, 5 and 0, 3. Find the image of A dash under the reflection in the x-axis seconds apart. The image of B dash, in the image B dash of B under the line A dash. Okay, we have a point A coordinate 2, 5. Point B have coordinate 0, 3. According to first subpart, we have to find out reflection of A in x-axis. So reflection of A in x-axis, we change the sign of y coordinate. So 2, 5 will be changed to 2, -5. First subpart is completed. Now A dash will be line. A dash will be line, and this line is parallel to y-axis because x coordinate is constant. Here value of x coordinate in A and A dash is 2. That is constant, not change. So line is parallel to x equal to constant. That means line is parallel to y-axis. If x equal to constant, then line is parallel to y-axis. If y equal to constant, then line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so we have A dash is line, and that line is parallel to y-axis, and we have to required to find out reflection of point B in parallel to y-axis. That means x equal to constant and x equal to 2. Okay, x equal to constant and constant is 2. 2 is not changed. So 0, 3, x equal to 2. Here is A is 2 according to formula minus x plus 2a comma y. So minus 0 plus 2 into 2 comma 3. Okay, so we had 4 coordinate 4, 3. Okay, the reflection of point B under the line A dash is 4, 3. Next question, you see the triangle ABC. Next question, you see question number 18. The triangle ABC, where coordinate of ABC are given, is reflected in the x-axis. We get a triangle A dash B dash C dash, and then triangle A dash B dash C dash is reflected in the origin. We get another triangle A double dash B double dash and C double dash. Write down the coordinates of A double dash B double dash comma C double dash. Also write down a single transformation that maps triangle ABC onto A double dash B double dash C double dash. So you see here solution of this question. Coordinate of A 1, 2, coordinate of B 4, 8, coordinate of C 6, 8, and these 3 points are the vertices of triangle. Now we find out the reflection of these 3 points under x-axis. So in x-axis we change the sign of y coordinate. So 1, 2 will be changed as 1 minus 2. Now 4, 8 changes to 4, -8, and 6, 8 will be changes to 6, -8. Only change the sign of y coordinate. Then after we have a point A dash B dash C dash, we have required to find out reflection of each point in origin. In origin we have to change the sign of both coordinate. So A dash coordinate is 1, -2, so we change the sign of both coordinate. So 1 will be changed as -1 and -2 will be changed as +2. B dash have coordinate 4, -8, so reflection in the origin, we change the sign of both coordinate. 4 will be changed to -4 and -8 will be changed to +8. And similar with 6, -8 will be changes to -6, 8, because in reflection in origin sign of both coordinate will be changed. So we have a vertices of triangle A dash, A double dash, B double dash and C double dash are these. Now according to second part, write down the single transformation which map ABC onto to A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Means by which transformation coordinate of A change into A double dash, coordinate of B change into B double dash, and C coordinate of C change to C double dash. So here we observe that which sign of which coordinate it changes. So if you see coordinate of A 1, 2 and coordinate of A double dash -1, 2, so here the sign of the x coordinate change. Here is also sign of B 4, 8 and sign of coordinate x coordinate changes. So in all three sign of x coordinate change. If sign of x coordinate is changed, that means reflection in the y axis. So single transformation is if we if we find out the reflection of ABC in the y-axis, then we get A double dash, B double dash and C double dash. Okay. Now you see question number 20. Given 2 point P and Q, that the image of P on reflection in y-axis is the point Q, and second point is the midpoint of PQ is invariant on the reflection in the x-axis. Okay, so locate the x-axis, y-axis and the origin. So here be given point P and Q. Coordinate of these 2 points are not given. So for that we have to suppose that coordinate of P is A comma B. Okay, let coordinate of P is A comma B. Now reflection of point P is given Q. So reflection of point P in the y-axis is Q. So in reflection in the y-axis we change the sign of x coordinate. So Q is minus A comma B. Now according to midpoint formula is here x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, where x1 y1 are coordinate of first point and x2 y2 are coordinate of second point. So we have here first point is A comma B and second point is minus A comma B. Okay, so x1, this point is x1 and this point is y1 and this point is x2 and this point is y2. So midpoint of this x1 plus x2, that means A plus minus A comma upon 2 comma y1 plus y2, so B plus B upon 2. After solving we get 0 comma B. Suppose that midpoint is denoted by point R, so coordinate of R 0 comma B, that is the midpoint.